yeah, it's ice cream time. This ice cream time. If any of you guys have ever had Jenny's ice cream, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't, this is the world's best ice cream. And I'm just feeling like we should have some ice cream and chat about my cos plans for 2021. Let's do it. Hello there, friends, and welcome to a cozy Monday evening on my couch with some ice cream, no makeup, watching the Smithsonian Channel on YouTube. And I was like, oh, now would probably be a really good time to make a Cosplans video. I'm taking a little mini break from Ahsoka tonight, just for myself, and I need to catch up on some work that I actually do for work and watch a little bit of history because that's how I feel. But I do want to talk to you guys about the stuff I have coming up planned. We know what I'm currently working on, obviously, which is Ahsoka. She will be my first cosplay of 2021. My next cosplay of 2021 will be Rose DeWitt Briqueta from Titanic. I already have all the fabric for that. She was actually supposed to happen before Ahsoka, but as we know, what happened. So Rose had to get put aside. I'm very excited to cosplay Rose. I am really looking forward to just making something that's a regular jacket and skirt. This always happens after my weird, like either it's a superhero or something from Star Wars or something else that is just weird garments shaped in different weird ways. I kind of just want to go back to making something that is like a jacket or pants or something like that. And that's what Rose will probably fill that gap in for me. And it's going to be really awesome. I'm hoping to take it as historical as I can. We will see. I just want to make that outfit, that boarding gown outfit from Titanic, man. It's just too beautiful to not want to make. And my awesome Ko-fi donors, you guys have given me the perfect amount of funds, and I had to buy all the fabric for that. Also, say goodbye to this hair. I'm getting my hair cut and colored tomorrow, and I'm hopefully gonna have a new do because 2021 is all about reinventing yourself. We need ice cream, get a new hairdo tomorrow, and buy a treadmill. Let's see how this goes. But anyways, moving on. The rest of these aren't in any specific order because of course we don't know about conventions going on this year. If they happen, if they won't happen, when they'll happen, who knows. So this is just a running list of ideas that I have that I really want to do, that I'm looking really forward to do. My next one I want to talk about is my 1890s Grogu, the child / baby Yoda, whatever you want to call it. I've had this design in my Procreate on my iPad for a long time. It's about half done, but it is going to be a going out walking style 1890s outfit. Here's some images of like some inspiration that I have, the color palette that I'm gonna go with, but I really just want to smash my new favorite Star Wars character into an 1890s silhouette, which is my absolute favorite historical decade for fashion, is the 1890s. I just love the shapes, and after I finished Naja, I just got really into that shape of historical wear, and I just kept researching more and more and more, and I love it. So I have, that one is definitely going to be an original design, obviously, but I'm looking really forward to playing around with that. The next one is actually really cool. It's also an original design, and it's a collaboration with my amazing friend Casey Renee Cosplay. We are going to do a Marvel MCU specifically cosplay group, original designs in the 18th century. I will be doing Doctor Strange, and I will have an original design that is all an 1890s. What? I think I'm going for 1860s. What did I have written down? I can't quite remember, but it's a traditional 18th century robe à la française Doctor Strange. I don't have the design narrowed out for that yet. I've just been pulling images on Pinterest and things like that. So I have swatches coming from Mood. I have colors that I want to do, that I want to play with, but I'll have way more information, plus a fun little collab video with Casey later on this month to talk more about that. But it's gonna be really cool, and this is the first time I've ever made anything from the 18th century, which is a century that scares me. I don't know why. That's just a lot of fabric, man. That's so much fabric. Ugh. Moving on, I want to make a lady Mandalorian, specifically the Mandalorian, specifically Din Djarin, specifically just that outfit with boobs. It's probably the next armor thing I want to make. I'm not really huge into making armor. I do it because it's supposed to be there with some of the cosplays that I do, but I just want to make a Mandalorian, the Mandalorian, Din Djarin, just with boobs. So I would like that to happen. These are a little less. Oh, hi Salem. Hi darling, you want to say hello? No, just want to look behind you and be ominous. Yes, my Mandalorian look is just going to be pretty much carbon copy from the show, except the chest plate's going to be a little more curvaceous, and I'll probably be a little more form-fitting, so we'll see how far I get on that one. That's definitely one I do want to do. So the next thing I want to talk about are definitely on the bubble, may or may not happen, but they're ones that I've wanted to do for a long time because damn it, I just want to be a pretty princess right now after the shit year that is 2020 and after the struggle that's probably going to be early 2021. I just want to be a pretty princess. So I want to make Aurora's gown from the Disneyland and I think Disney World parade Magic Happens. You know, the one that went viral because it was color changing. I want to do that. I've always wanted to make Aurora and be Aurora, but I just haven't. And I'm not really a Disney princess person when it comes to making cosplays. I like doing it. I used to do Disney princesses back in when I first started doing it. I was a Merida and Ariel stan, man. I was just... But since I got older, starting, my body definitely changed. I just kind of grew out of the princess look more or less and started doing a little more different stuff. Mainly just Marvel and Star Wars, Mortal Kombat, but anyways, I really want to make this Aurora because I want the challenge of trying to find that fabric that does a beautiful color shift from blue to pink. And also that silhouette is just really pretty, and damn it, I want to be a pretty princess, which is also leading into this outfit that I want to make, which is Odette from the Swan Princess. She has been on my list for years and I just haven't done it. So why not put her back on my list for this year and make this outfit, because I feel like this year is a perfect year to make a lot of outfits that have been on your bucket list, because cons aren't really happening, movies aren't really coming out, so we don't really have a whole lot of content that's really slamming in our brains. Why not make something you've always wanted to make? So Odette, here we go. And finally, the last thing I want to mention is what I'm going to do for Halloween this year. My Mummy series was a huge hit. A lot of people really, really loved it. However, I got really tired of watching The Mummy and it turned out great. I'm very happy with it, but I do want to do some other things. I want to do a series of looks, whether it's special effects, more of like closet cosplays, or making items from the Conjuring film series. I love that film series, and I think the makeup work, storytelling, and just the characters from it are really fun. And I really just want to dip it myself into the horror bucket, like hardcore. So here we're going with that. I'll probably be doing a lot of special effects makeup, as well as I really just want to make this look for Lorraine Warren. It's an iconic one from the first Conjuring series. So yeah, that's probably what Halloween's gonna be, unless something falls in my lap that's just like pure amazing and everyone's like, Amanda, you need to do this. But I'm probably gonna be sticking to the Conjuring for my Halloween series this year. Okay, so yeah, that's it for my 2021 cosplans. Of course, like with any year, that's very tentative, and we'll see if it happens or not. But definitely Ahsoka and Rose are obviously gonna happen next. Whatever happens after that's gonna happen when it happens, and we'll see it from there. But thanks for joining me on this rather short, fun, very casual ice cream on the couch type of video. I just thought I would share with you all my cosplans for the year. So thanks again for following my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I make cosplay sewing videos, and right now working, of course, my Ahsoka series every week, where I am releasing a vlog about making Ahsoka Tano from the Mandalorian. Blech, that's a mouthful. All right, and until next time, bye y'all.